Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make zinc oxide sunscreen. We'll start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need non-nano zinc oxide, which is crucial for safety and effectiveness. We'll also use nourishing carrier oils like jojoba or almond oil, and a natural emulsifier such as beeswax or shea butter to bind everything together. This process is simpler than you might think, and you'll love the control you have over what goes on your skin. Before we begin mixing, let's talk about the right tools and safety. A precise kitchen scale is essential for accurate measurements, especially for the zinc oxide. Always wear a mask and gloves when working with non-nano zinc oxide powder to prevent inhalation and skin contact. Good ventilation is also key. Your safety is paramount when crafting your homemade sunscreen.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It makes a huge difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now let's create our sunscreen base. In a double boiler, gently melt your chosen carrier oils and emulsifiers, like beeswax or shea butter. Stir continuously until everything is fully combined into a smooth, uniform liquid. Once melted, remove the mixture from the heat. It's important to let it cool down a bit before we introduce the zinc oxide, ensuring a stable and effective final product. This step is critical for your sunscreen's effectiveness. Once your base has cooled slightly, gradually add the non-nano zinc oxide powder. It's vital to mix this thoroughly to prevent any clumping and ensure the zinc oxide is evenly dispersed throughout the entire mixture. An immersion blender works wonderfully here, helping you achieve a smooth, consistent texture without any gritty bits. This ensures maximum protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.